Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put the Wacky Effect on soundtrack on VideoPad. I decided to make this video because I watched many VideoPads tutorial in English on YouTube. My English is not very good, it's more or less, but I try to help you anyway, using Google Translator, okay? It's a very simple, easy and fast procedure, okay? First, drag the red line to position where you want to edit the Wacky Effect, keeping the left mouse button pressed. Click the Split Select Clips tab. Click FX tab to add these sound effects. Click on Chorus and change everything to full.
Milagre que ela tá assim,
Aí minha mão tava sangrando, botei minha mão dentro dessa caixa aqui pra parar de sangrar.
To increase the intensity of the effect, use more than once.
Aí minha mão tava sangrando, botei minha mão dentro dessa caixa aqui pra parar de sangrar.
Vai deitar aqui, por favor.
Thanks for watching and I hope this tutorial helped you. If you want to help my channel, make a donation through PayPal, okay?